Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to update your YouTube app for Android TV. Let me show you how. The very first thing we want to do is to make sure we go ahead and locate settings on our smart TV. When you get to setting icon, go ahead and click on OK. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Go ahead and make sure you navigate to apps. So click on apps. Then it take you right here. Then next thing you want to do is to make sure you go ahead and click on Google Play Store. So when you click on Google Play Store, go ahead and click on Open. Then you have all apps on your smart TV right here. Now, for us to search for a YouTube app in order to update, what we want to do is to make sure we come to the top right here. We make sure we navigate to search right here. And right here, we can even, from the bottom right here, you can see YouTube app right here. However, if you cannot find YouTube app right here, you can easily make use of search right here and type in YouTube. Then you can easily search the YouTube app. However, I have my YouTube app right here, so I will simply go ahead and make sure I update it. So I will simply go ahead and hit on Open. So once you open your YouTube, so you can see YouTube for Android TV. So what we want to do now is to go ahead and navigate to update right here. Click on update. So you can see in a few seconds, the update completes 100%. Allow the update to install successful. Once it installs successful, then you start enjoying new features about YouTube app on your Android TV. So just like what you see right here. Next thing we want